Alright, question 6a. Given matrix A is given as matrix here. Given the cofactor matrix of A is here, and where x is more than 0. Determine the value of x and y, hence find the inverse of matrix A. So first we need to find the value of x and y in the cofactor here. Alright, so we need to see where the x and y located. So in the cofactor, it is located at M12. Okay, M12. One in the row, first row, and the second column. Alright, so the matrix 1, 2 equal to 2, negative 3, 2, negative 1. So 2, negative 3, 2, negative 1. In the cofactor, M12 location is negative. So it's negative. Right? So we use the formula AD minus BC. A, B, C, D. So AD minus BC. And we get negative 4. Alright. So let's find the x squared. X squared located at the third column, third row and second column, right? Here. So we got 1, 3, 2, negative 3, right? So we got the matrix 3, 2 equal to negative 1, 3, 2, negative 3, right? So in the cofactor, M32 also negative, right? So using the same formula, AD minus BC, we get 9. Alright, so we know here, come back here, we get x plus y equal to negative 4, right? And here x squared equal to 9. So find x first. We get x is square root 9, we get 3. So we input the x here, and we get 3 plus y equal to negative 4, and y equal to, we bring it here and we get negative 7. Alright, so now we got the x and y value. We proceed to find the inverse of matrix A. Alright, next step. So to find the inverse, I use the formula of determinant of matrix A. I just write it down. Alright, so we got A11, C11 plus A12, C12 plus A13, C13. So this is the formula of matrix A. So we just substitute the value from the matrix given into the formula here, right? So for A11 we got 1 negative 1 squared from the matrix 3 negative 3 2 negative 1 plus 2 negative 1 and 2 negative 3 2 negative 1 plus 3 negative 1 over by 4, and we got 2 3 2 2 here. Alright, so how we write this? From A11, using the matrix given, A11, it is 1, so the value of 1, A11. C11, we highlight this and we get the value here, 3 negative 3 2 negative 1. So it's the matrix right here, right? Negative 1 power by 2 is from the value of A11, and the value of C we just add to find the power, and 1 plus 1 we get power of 2, right? So next, A12 from the formula, 1 row 1 second column, we get 2. So we write it here, 2 times by -1, still -1, power by C12. So C12, 1 plus 2, we get power of 3. Matrix 2, -3, 2, -1. Also from here, we highlight and we get 2, -3, 2, -1. Right? So we write right here. So same with A13. A13. The first row and the third column, we got 3. So 3, -1, power of 4. 1 plus 3, power of 4. And the matrix here from the, we highlight here and we get the value of 2, 3, 2 and 2. And we get 2, 3, 2 and 2. Right? So next, after we found this, we need to find the we need to substitute the real value, right? So we calculate, and you got 1 times 3 plus -2, -2 times 4 plus 3 equal down here -2, right? We total of it is -11. So this is the value of determinant of matrix A, right? So next step, we need to find the adjacent A from its cofactor. So we write back the cofactor. The cofactor is 303. X plus y equal to x plus y x plus y equal to -4. Okay, -4 and 1. X squared equal to 9. -2, 2, -1. This is the cofactor. So from the cofactor, we need to find the adjacent A. And the adjacent A, to how to write it, we just take this row, the first row, make as first column for the adjacent A. So we got 3, -4, -2. And 0, 1, 2, 3, 9, -1, right? See? 3, 9, -1 from the third row. 3, 9, -1 become the adjacent of A. Alright, so from the adjacent of A, we can find the inverse of matrix A by using this formula. Inverse of A is equal to 1 over the determinant value. 1 over our determinant value is -11. So -1 over 11 times by adjacent A. So from the adjacent A, we put it here, -4, -2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 9, -1. So question 7. The equation of a circle is given by x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 8y minus 5 equal to 0. 7a. Express the equation of the circle in standard form. Find the coordinates of the center C and radius r. So we need to express the equation in standard form. So first, write how the standard form is written. It is x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 8y minus 5 equal to 0. This is the form. So from here, we rewritten again, x with x equal to 0. Okay, we write again, and here we do the completing the square to find the value for our next operation. So we will get 4 over 2 squared minus 4, and we got -8. Right, I just simplified the operation. We do the completing the square to get this value. Alright, so from here, this value, we need to put the both of the right hand side value into one equation. So factorize it. We factorize using the completed square. We will get x squared plus 4x plus 4 y squared minus 8y plus 16 minus 5. So put it one side. 4 plus 16. Right? This is after factorization. So from here, we solve it. Yeah. Right, from here, we need to get the, oh sorry, I forgot to mention here, using the computing the square, we get the value here from x squared until 4x. Right, so we get the value here, and negative 8 over 2 squared was get by here, right, here. Okay, so we get this. Alright, so until we get here, we need to change it into the form of x negative h squared plus y minus k squared equal to r squared. So we need to change into standard form. Okay, this is standard form. Using factorization, we will get x plus 2 plus y minus 4 squared equal to 25. Right? Using factorization from this equation, we will get into standard form like this. Okay, so what we want to do is find the radius. So this word value, 16 plus 4 will get 20. So the negative 5 here, bring to the right side, and we get 25. And the remaining value here, we're using factorization to get this value. Okay, until like this. So next, we need to find what we want to find before, that is r. So we know this is r squared. So we need to find r. We write again, x plus 2 squared plus y minus 4 equal to r square root 25. We get 5. We write again, x plus 2 plus y minus 4 squared. Okay, so we get r equal to 5. Let's find the coordinate of center C. Find coordinate of center C. So the formula for coordinate is h and k. H and k. So from the standard here, we need to find the h and k from the standard equation. So we will find the h is negative h equal to 2. Negative h equal to 2. That's mean how we get positive is negative times negative. So the value of h is negative 2. Right? And k negative k, negative 4. So k is 4. Alright, so this is coordinate of center C. Negative 2, 4, and the r value is 5. So that's the answer for question 7A. Next question, 7B. Find the general equation of a circle with the center C and radius 2r. So from the question 7 just now, it is given that the equation is x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 8y minus 5 equal to 0. Alright, so we need to form a general equation by the circle equation here. So the general equation is x squared plus y squared minus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So how to form? From 7a, we get the information. The coordinate of c is negative 2, 4. And the h is negative 2. The k is 4. And the r is 5. Alright, using this information, find the g. How to find the g? Here we get the x. 4x actually is equal to 2gx. So 4x equal to 2gx. Alright, we get the x, and the 2g equal to 4, and the g1 is 2. So we got here that g is 2. It is the same that g is negative h. Alright, so also same here, 8y and the 2fy. So we got the 8y equal with 2fy. Okay, so we got the y here, and we got 8 equal to 2f, and f equal to 4. I'm sorry, negative 8y. Negative 8y equal to 2fy, and we got negative 8 to f and negative 4. Alright, so f is negative 4 and g is 2. Right. So next, we find r. So in the question, we need radius to r. So the general equation for r is r equal to g squared plus f squared minus c square root. Right. So we need to find 2r. So we need to find the 2r. We know that r is equal to 5. So 2 times 5 equal to 10. Substitute the value of g here. G squared, we got 2 squared plus f squared. F negative 4, so negative 4 squared minus c. Alright, minus c. And from here we squared here with the left and the right side, and we get 100. 10 squared with 100 squared, the square root will be missing, and 4 2 squared 4 negative 4 squared will get 16 minus c. Alright, so we find c, we will find that the c is negative 80. Right, 20 we brought here, 80, negative c equal to 80, and c will get negative 80. Right, so make the general equation. Okay, from the general equation is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c to 0. Okay, you substitute in the value just now. Substitute x squared plus y squared plus 2 gx. Right, 2gx. G is 2 plus 2f negative 4 y. Oh sorry, I forgot the x1 here. X y negative 80 equal to 0. So we got x squared plus y squared plus 2 times 2 4 x negative 8. Okay, negative 8 y minus 80 equal to 0. So the general equation is that's the answer.